welcome back to Vlogmas. Ignore my hair, I know it's kind of crazy, I just put it out of the way. This morning I have been editing. It's about 11:15, nearly finished. It's much shorter vlog, so that makes life so much easier. Also, Photoshop is working, Lightroom is working, Final Cut is working. If you haven't watched probably the last two vlogs, you'll know I had some problems with them, and I don't know why. So yesterday I completely factory reset it, and now it's working. So I don't know, I feel like sometimes computers just mess up and they need sorting. So I sorted that. Oh god, my hair's awful. I've done an Instagram post, so that is good. Got my little baby. So shall we do I hate doing the advent calendars so early on, but I feel like it needs to be done now. I've started doing it this early on. It needs to get done. So it is the 13th of December today, which is so crazy that it's what, 10, 11, 12 days till Christmas? On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. I don't see no partridge or pear tree. I'm not sure what I'm going to be able to film today, but I'm taking some photos for my sister's Instagram today. She has a dance Instagram account. Okay, I have no idea what this is meant to be. Look at this condensation. Can you see that? How bad is that? Thing is, I don't like opening the windows in winter because it's so cold. But like, that's kind of bad. So maybe I should open the windows. Yeah, I'm taking photos for her Instagram. She has a dance Instagram account. And she wants to get some Christmassy ones. Onto the Profusion calendar. Day number 13. Ooh. Interesting. I try and do it so you can see, but like, when can you ever it's not gonna work. I've got, which has come so quickly. I would have thought Amazon would have been slower delivering things at this time, but they've been delivering things. Oh my god, I've got some fake eyelashes. I was not expecting that. I mean, I'm probably not even gonna wear them, but oh my gosh. Yeah, so I ordered this Amazon ring light thing and I just got the free delivery and it was meant to come like next week. And it's saying it's coming today. They're pretty. Okay, I'm not a fake lashes kind of gal. In fact, I don't actually have any eyelash glue. But they're really pretty lashes. They're quite natural. I'll save them because I'm sure there'll be an occasion where I need them. They look really nice though. I really didn't know what was in this calendar. I did not know I was getting eyelashes. Okay, I'm going to finish up editing. It's really raining though. My sister wanted to go outside to do some photos, but it's like really raining. I've got a cup of tea and I've got a lot to do actually, and it's not going to get done today because I've had to change things around to do these photos, but I've got all of my washing that needs to go away, all of the stuff in my bedroom. I need to sort out my parcels and print off all the return labels, and I need to finish editing. I don't really know, I think that's it, but it feels like a lot. And I'm so excited for this ring light to arrive because whenever I vlog here, okay, this tripod is too low and then I have to really lower my chair, and I don't like to lower my chair, so then I have to tilt the camera up and that's just a horrid angle. So this ring light is on a stand. It's a tabletop one, so hopefully it'll be a little bit taller because like, if this was this tall that wouldn't be too bad, but my tripod would fall. So yeah, just stopped for a little spot of lunch. I've got a baguette which has, it's going to fall apart if I open it, lettuce, prosciutto, is it prosciutto? And like salamis and stuff, and I've got some chipsticks. I'm going to have some more later, but so the oven cleaner didn't come yesterday. She's here now, so we're kind of all avoiding the kitchen. And then I'm going with my dad to Dunelm to pick up my mum's Christmas wrapping paper, because I've said I'll wrap them for him. Oh, this lighting's horrible, I'm so sorry. I have just gotten home from Dunelm, picked up the wrapping paper for my mum. We couldn't find any nice ribbon anywhere. We even looked in Poundland and Asda. There just wasn't any, so I think we're going to have to get some off of Amazon. But my ring light has arrived. This is it. It had like quite a lot of reviews. It was quite good for the price. I think I paid about £20. Okay. It's by a brand called AIXPI. So it's the 10-inch LED ring light. There were two options. I picked the one that you could mount a camera on. It's USB powered, so you do need a USB plug. So I will need to go grab one of them so I can test this out. You've got 3 colour temperatures, but 10 brightnesses, which is all controlled by like a little remote thing. And it's also got a little phone bit so I could prop my phone up in there. So I'm going to go grab a USB plug thing. Okay, so I just grabbed this like iPhone one. Wow, the lighting's gone really bad. Okay, so let's just go through what it comes with. So as I said, you've got the little instruction manual. You've got the camera mount. This feels really heavy. For anyone who's not sure what it is, it's just this little thing here. So this screws into the bottom of your camera, and I'm presuming this loosens, yeah, so you can rotate it and angle it. You can also angle it like that. Good to know. And then this seems to screw to tighten as well. This appears to be the phone. Okay, not quite sure how this works, but this is the phone mount that stretches. It only moves on one side. It's got a little screw bit in the bottom. Not too sure how that works. The screw bit for that, so this must go into this. Sorry, I'm not showing this very well. This is the tripod, so it's metal. Hopefully it's stable enough. I think you would have to do it relatively low looking at it. Got the ring light, so my camera would fit through that. So obviously this will screw down. It's got the little handle, well it's not remote, but it's like a handle thing. So, shall we... God, that didn't sound good. It does feel quite like cheap. Maybe it just wasn't slotted in properly. Let's screw this on. But yeah, I didn't want to spend too much money because it's not going to be something that I use tons. I mean, now I've got the blinds open and it's 2:30, but it's really dim because it's raining. So the lighting just isn't great because you have to have a light on. And my actual bedroom light is actually quite a warm, no not warm, quite a cool light. But still, I don't know what watt adapter this is. It says, please do not use a 5-watt adapter. Please use a 10-watt or more. Okay, this is a 5-watt, so I would need to use my iPad charger. It stands up in a really good height, actually. Woo! Hey guys, from my nostrils. That's really good. Okay. So that's the cool. That's the warm. This is the neutral. This is so good. This is going to be so useful for filming makeup videos. Right, so I'll just show you. I've turned the brightness down a little bit. So, this is it here. And I'm going to see how these things slot on. I don't know how this... I'm thinking, is my camera going to fit? Oh, I wasn't even recording. This was a bit of a bust. I can't get this thing to stay on. Like, it's just so flimsy. Like, no matter how tight I do it, it just won't work. They felt really heavy and like really good, but they just move so much, and this ring light won't stay up as well. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm just gonna have to spend more money on a better one because it just won't stay. Right, I don't know why I tried to set it up without looking at it, but I've set it up wrong. So I'm now following the picture and it says to put this on the bottom bit. So I guess this means that you can tilt it. Okay, I mean, that's not going to make a huge difference to how it stands, but it's then showing this on here. And I can't fit this bit. Yeah? Okay, so I'm hoping you can hear me, and I know this angle isn't great. This is on this light. I've not got the light on right now, so it's slightly tilted. Hopefully it's not breaking. With with the mic underneath, it kind of like balances it. Oh god. Because I think my camera's a bit heavy. But this way I can see it, but I think the light's then going to be funny. So let's turn it on. Super bright. And then it's super bright. But if I was doing a makeup look, about here, that's really good lighting. So I think it's okay. It's just a bit of a hassle. So it won't be something that I can use all of the time, but I can put it up on my desk and I will just end up using it and putting my tripod in front rather than balancing my camera on, because I think it's going to be quite awkward to get off. Actually, I think it might be okay to get off. See, even that, if I turn this off, just that difference is so good. And that's not even directly in front, that's from one side of my face. So I think that's quite good. So I'm going to attempt to pop this on. But I mean, you can always prop it up on something else. So I think what I'll end up doing is just using it as an actual ring light. See, that's really good. If I don't use a filter. So for my phone, I can actually use it much brighter and it still look okay. Whereas on camera, it's obviously way too exposed. But then that could be because if I turn this exposure down, see, that's fine. But I prefer to have the exposure normal on my camera and then change the lighting accordingly. So yeah, that works. If I just show you on the phone, oh, I don't know if it's gonna. So this is what it looks like here. Yeah, I mean, it works. Yeah, it's a good little ring light, but if you're looking for something as a tripod as well, it's not so great, which is disappointing, but the light itself is really good and I want to film a makeup video or hair videos, so this will be really, really useful for me to have. But I don't think I'm ever really going to use it with the stuff balanced on top because I don't think it's worth it, because I think they will fall off and break. It was £20, so you can't really expect too much of the quality of everything else, but I will keep all of the little bits because I'm sure I will use them. So I have been downstairs, I've been doing some cooking for Christmas, so this is what we're having on the 23rd of December. It's just like an easy meal, so we can freeze it now and then on the day we can just pop it in the oven. I'm also going to be making some Yorkshires, which I will then be freezing. I ran out of time today because my mum and dad had to get the roast dinner on, so obviously couldn't do that today. But yeah, really glad that that's done, and this is what I made. I only really got a few clips, but it's basically what I call it sausage casserole, but it's not really. You literally just throw in onions and then veg that you fancy, sausages, throw them in, cook them, put some gravy in, salt and pepper, and then whilst that's cooking you also do some potatoes, so I do sweet and normal, get them to boil, and then once they're soft you can then mash them, and then you just pop them in like a pie dish, pop the like main meat sausage bit in, and then pop the mash on top, and I scrape it a little bit and pop on some breadcrumbs, and that's it. And then it will just take about 10-15 minutes in the oven, probably 15, to reheat it, get it crispy on the top, and yeah, that's literally it. It's so easy. I started making it and then my mum and dad were like, oh, can you make that for around Christmas? So that's one of the Christmas meals done. And yeah, so that's what I've been doing. I now just need to quickly finish. So my video is technically scheduled and I've done the first page of the like setup. So I've done the tags and the description and everything, but I just need to sort out the monetization bits. And I think that's it. The monetization bits, the end slate, just all of the boring stuff. This is the bit that I really hate doing. Yeah, for a cheap little ring light, you know what? It's not bad. I can't slate that. I was just expecting it to have been a little bit stronger. But yeah, if you are looking for something a little bit stronger that can hold your camera, you would need to invest in something more expensive, better quality.
So, I never ended the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I know, again, this is a shorter vlog, but I feel like This is a more watchable length. I hope you enjoyed. I know it was very chatty again. Can't really go anywhere because nowhere's open. But after I did all of that, I watched a bit of Grey's with my mum. We had dinner, roast lamb, which was lovely. And I also watched a bit of Brooklyn Nine-Nine. And the Strictly Results show. And that was it, really. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
I can't breathe without your